Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with integers. So far, we have learned about integers, particularly that what are integers, how to compare integers, how to put integers in ascending and descending order, and then how to add integers on number line and then using sign rules. Now, just to revise few things, integers are the collection, integers is the collection of positive numbers, neutral number and negative numbers. Positive numbers are called positive integers, negative numbers are called negative integers, and 0, which is neither positive nor negative, is called a neutral number. Then on a number line, we have learned that when we move from left to right, the value of integers increases. Whereas if we move from right to left on number line, the value of integer decreases. Right? So here in particularly in negative integers, we can see that minus 6 is less than minus 5 because minus 6 lies to the left of minus 5. Now moving ahead with the integers, we have studied that when we add a positive integer, okay, when we add a positive integer, we move towards right on the number line. And when we add a negative integer, we move towards left on the number line, right? Now, now we are going to learn subtraction of integers. I can understand this is little abstract concept for you, but once you are thorough with the movement of on the number line particularly, then believe me, you all can do addition, subtraction on integers very nice, of integers on number lines very nicely. Let us see the example over here. The example is minus 4 minus 2. Here we are subtracting a positive integer 2 from a negative integer minus 4. And that's the reason minus 4 is there in the bracket. So please remember this rule that when you subtract a positive integer, we move towards left. Remember this, I repeat, when we subtract a positive integer, we move towards left on number line. So now the subtraction is minus 4 minus 2. Our starting integer is minus 4. As I told you that 2 is a positive integer, so now we will be moving towards left. How many steps? 2 steps. So from minus 4, if you give 2 steps towards left, we get minus 6. The answer of minus 4 minus 2 is 6. I repeat, here we are subtracting a positive integer 2 from a negative integer minus 4. And we have followed the rule, when we subtract a positive integer, we move towards left on the number line. I hope you have understood the same. Now, let's move to the next subtraction. The next subtraction is 1 minus minus 2. Now here we are subtracting a negative integer minus 2 from a positive integer 1. We are subtracting a negative integer minus 2 from a positive integer 1. As here it is written 1, it is plus 1. Plus 1 is a positive integer 1. So we are subtracting here a negative integer from a positive integer. So while subtracting a negative integer, always move towards right. I repeat, when we were subtracting the positive integer, we move towards left. Now we are subtracting a negative integer, we will move towards right. How many steps towards right? 2 steps, because we are subtracting minus 2. So 1 is the starting integer over here, plus 1, and from there you have to move 2 steps ahead. We get 3 over here. So when we subtract minus 2 from plus 1, the answer is 3. More examples I have mentioned in the classwork which will be discussed in the class. Okay, now every time is it possible to use a number line? No. If the numbers are huge like 100, 200, in 1000, the integers particularly, then how we are going to use a number line? We are not going to draw such a big huge number line, right? So what we will do in this case? Let's read this. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. Okay, now here what happens exactly that I am going to tell you. The first example is 2 minus minus 7. Now what happens over here is this minus sign which is there outside the bracket, it, you know, minus sign is adamant, right? Minus sign doesn't listen the any rule. So what it will do is it will change the sign of this minus 7 which is there inside the bracket. It will change that minus 7 to plus 7. Okay, so this becomes 2 plus 7. Always remember children, if there is a negative sign outside the bracket, it changes the sign of the integer next to it which is inside the bracket. That's the reason here negative sign which is outside the bracket will change the sign of minus 7 and will make it plus 7. That's the reason the final problem is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now you will ask me where this minus sign has gone. This is a subtraction. How it becomes plus then? So here in integers, what is important is following the sign rules and particularly the sign rules of addition of integers, which I have given. Because in subtracting, what is important is the minus sign is there outside the bracket and you change the sign of the next integer. That is the only thing where the subtraction plays its role. After that, what comes into the picture are addition rules of signs. Simple things we will follow, right? And we have revised, we have solved many problems of addition of integers in our previous video. So I hope you will be able to solve that. The remaining problems are there in the classwork which will be discussed in the class and will be uploaded in Teams. Thank you very much. Now we will see a few more examples of subtraction of integers. Here there are three examples. The first one is 5 minus minus 2. Again we have to subtract the negative integer. Okay, the negative integer which is outside the bracket will change the sign of the integer which is there in the bracket. And what is the rule that we have learned? If we are adding a positive integer, we will go towards left. If we are adding a negative integer, so if we are subtracting the negative integer, we will go towards right, right? So it will be 5 plus 2, that is 7. Next, we are subtracting a positive integer, so we will go towards left. Minus 3 minus 7, and if you remember, the rule of addition of integers is when there are two negative integers, we will simply add and then the answer is minus 10. Next is minus 1 minus minus 8. We are subtracting a negative integer from a negative integer. Subtracting a negative integer means go towards exactly right. So it is minus 1 plus 8. The addition rule is minus and plus negative and positive integer we will subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7 and bigger number is 8. So sign is plus 7. There are few more examples here. One is 4 minus 2. Okay, add opposite of 2. Here the way they have given is adding. So 4 plus minus 2 is 2. Next is minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Next is minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Now here there are few real life examples. Find the difference between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are simply writing in order 32 minus 10, which is 32 plus 10, that is 42 degrees. Right. Next, find the difference between 8 degrees Fahrenheit and minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 8 minus 5, which is 8 plus 5, it is 13. I want to tell you here one thing, though it is given at the opposite of 5, we will use this negative sign which is outside the bracket, and that negative sign will change the sign of the integer which is there inside the bracket, and that's how it becomes 8 plus 5, 13. Thank you very much, children. Now we will learn the next topic in our next period, which is the absolute value of an integer. Thank you very much.